Once, love was a promise whispered for life. Now, it's a choice we renew until we tire.
50 years ago, people got married at 18 and stayed together until death.
Today, people wait until 30 to marry, and often divorce within 3 years.
Back then, couples had nothing, but built everything together.
Now, couples have everything, but can't build anything together.
Our grandparents shared one small room and called it paradise.
We have 5-bedroom houses and call them prisons.
The only difference is we now call commitment settling, and running away finding yourself.
Who convinced us that love expires? That compatibility is instant? That marriage should feel like a Disney movie every day?
If we question ourselves, we might stop expecting perfection and start building connection.
Have we become so focused on finding the one?
In the end, love doesn't fade. We just forget how to keep choosing it.